Here I've got Bosch Spira B35 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open display, and here just pick wallpaper. And now it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be something from your gallery, one of Google Now Launcher, live wallpapers or photos. And let me choose the Google Launcher. And then select the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. Here you've got all the options. Also you can pick some live wallpapers, but I will choose this one. And this is how it will look like. If you would like to leave this picture as your wallpaper, just click on Set Wallpaper. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new picture is covering your home screen. And that will be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.